Rashelle's Lifestyle with your girl, Rachelle. Lame, I know, but whatever. And I'm in my kitchen because we're doing another cooking video. And this week on Cooking with Rash, I'll be making spaghetti and vegan balls. Yes, not meatballs, vegan balls. And the recipe is very simple. You literally just need your spaghetti, which I have here. Which I have here. And the vegan balls. And my little seasoning and stuff. We're just gonna ignore that. And my ingredients to make the sauce. I have my barbecue sauce, my ketchup, and a nice clean Maggi. Yeah. So if you guys are interested to see how I make this delicious recipe, stay tuned. So guys, I have already stripped my scallion, my onion, and my garlic. So I'm just gonna chop these up real quick and set it aside. And this is for the sauce. I'm doing this particularly first because you know the spaghetti and noodles that I'm cooking at no time, so I don't want the spaghetti to cook out really quick. And then I'm rushing to prepare the sauce with the meatballs. So yeah, that's why I'm doing this first. So let's come a little closer so you can see what's happening. Yeah. I'm just gonna cut up this right here, so. I'm all done. Really don't need a whole lot of tomato. What's this called? And onion. Really don't need a lot of onion, just, you know, half of it, and my garlic and scallion. Now I'm gonna put on the water. Okay guys, so I have a pot of water here. So I put a little salt in there and I'm going to add a little olive oil. Because if you watch any of my cooking videos, you know how me and the noodles and grease stay. The noodles help prevent it from sticking onto each other. So when the water comes to a boil, that's when I'll add the noodles. So in the meanwhile, we're gonna be doing we're gonna fry the balls. We're gonna fry the vegan balls. Guys, okay. Now that I'm waiting for the water to boil up, I'm gonna go ahead and fry my vegan balls. So I have my frying pan here with some oil in it. So when it heats up, we're just gonna pop them in, fry them nice and dry, set them aside, and make the sauce. Guys, if you saw my what I eat in a day video, you know I love this brand. I made their burgers. Go and check out that video. Peanut butter jelly time. Peanut butter jelly time. Peanut butter jelly. Don't worry, they're not gonna sink in. You know this, right? I know you know this. I know you know this. See, everybody just slide in. And then we'll cover this and let it boil up for a bit. While I check on my balls over here. Just flip them on the side. Flip them on the side. Flip them on the side. So these are perfectly done. Can you tell that they're vegan balls? Can you? No, you can't. So while these are draining, I have a little pot over here with a little oil from the vegan balls frying pot. And while this heats up, I'm just gonna add the seasoning because we're preparing to make the sauce right now. And we're checking on our noodles. They're still not ready. We're giving it some time. I think this is a Twitter hack with the board and you push it through here. Me, I call it Twitter because I never know about it before. Just adding my seasoning. And this is the base for my meatball sauce. Your sight. Who wants to be in this kitchen? So I have bowl thingy with some water, and I'm gonna add some ketchup to it and the sweet honey barbecue sauce and dip and some all-purpose seasoning to this. I'm just eyeballing it, guys. We'll just go through, taste and go through. So super. So I'm gonna add this sauce base to the seasoning and then stir it in, stir it in, stir it in, stir it in. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Guys, in the height of my cooking, look who is over here doing curry chicken. I don't want mommy she. But this is the woman, that's not a lie. I can't wait to have this right. Anyways, guys, this is my sauce. Just simmer down. You see that? And catch the steam. So you can see how thick it got. So now I'm gonna add the meatballs to it. Why am I saying meatballs? The vegan balls to it. Just gently dip it in, dip it in, dip it in, and then make it boil down little for like half a minute, and then flip it on the other side, just so that the sauce can go through it and cook, and you get some nice juicy vegan balls. And we're turning down the stove. Again.
Be like Gordon Ramsay. You see that taste, the color, the texture. Look at it, it's right there.
You guys see the flavor? You can see flavor.
Hey, how you talk sometimes make it really look like I can't really taste the food to be honest.
It smells delicious though. Plating time, guys. So I drained the water, and as you see, I'm plating my spaghetti. Plating it as you see, and I'm gonna add the sauce atop. Sauce is like so good. You can use something to thicken your sauce if you want, but I really didn't want to do that because I realized sometimes when you use like those thickening stuff, it really changes the flavor of the actual thing. And you know me with a little razzle dazzle. You guys can strain the sauce if you want, but ain't nobody got time for that. But you can if you want to. I'm literally just adding the parsley. Just sprinkle, 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 sprinkle around. And there you have it, our plate of spaghetti and vegan balls. And this is the part that I like, the raving review. So we have mommy over here. Mommy, you want to taste it? Or you not taste it?
I'll taste it sweetie.
And we have the video man, Ricky. Alright, so guys, come taste and tell me how it's tasty.
You have to taste the food after hard work. So let's see how well Rachelle did. You know, how it go? Kwatang or something
What's
like
that?
that. Is this food critic on YouTube too?
Oh.
But you know, you have to subscribe to Rachelle first. You know, so let's try it.
Ah, you know how to eat it.
Don't be biased. He's not pescatarian. He's a meat eater. You're not supposed to taste it yet.
My body. So I know.
Ricky, how it tastes? Oh, it's a go.
Tastes good.
It tastes good? Does it taste like
Meat?
meat?
To be honest, a little bit.
It has the meaty texture.
Yeah, it does. If I was ever supposed to go on a diet, this would probably be one of the main
But
things I'm eating.
if I gave this to you and you didn't know it was, I didn't tell you that it's
I probably
vegan
think it
balls.
was meat.
You would think it's meat? Okay.
The gravy really helps.
Yeah,
to
the
hide-
sauce bad.
Yeah, our sauce, my bad.
Yeah. Okay, cool. Thank you. Right, review time.
Hey guys, dropping in Rashelle's kitchen,
Cooking with Rash.
cooking with Rash, just coming. So I'm hungry.
Yes.
So the food is cooked. So let me taste it.
Mhm.
This is what we call eating right and keeping the body right.
Does it taste like meat, or you're not sure what it tastes like?
It's not me?
No, it's not.
Seriously?
Yes.
My gosh.
You know, pure drama
I'll
queen in
die
my
for
life.
this, Rash. And
Love to
it's
hear it.
good. It's
Yes?
good.
Oh
It's
my
good.
God. Wow.
Mm.
Okay, so mommy, you're next. So mommy don't want to go on it. You know, fair style already.
It's really good.
It have a buzz. It's buzzy.
Yes, it's yan work.
Alright.
Good.
How about what? Do it. Oh my God.
Here, Chef Rachelle, how is it?
It's good.
It's really good.
And the sauce
Yeah.
is literally amazing. Like, this is really good. And guys, one of the reasons why I fried it first before I did it in the sauce, I have that nice crunchy outside texture.
Yeah.
It's very good. Like, I'm not just saying it's very good. You guys heard it from like 3 different persons. Alright, one person didn't even know what I was cooking, Auntie Sharon, and then she came and she's like, this is really not, like, you guys saw that. Like, hello. But oh my God.
Oh my God. Good job, Rachelle. Good job.
Guys, this is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Like, hello. If you're watching this video and you don't subscribe, you know what you're supposed to do, right? Subscribe then, no man. Join the family, no man. So every time I post a video, you see it, no man. Like, rashelle's lifestyle. Right? Oh my God. Guys, next week, another video is coming right at you. Thank you, guys. Bye.
Click the notification bell.
Notification
Remember
bell
that.
gang. Woo!